Okay, today let's talk about some jazz chords. Basically with jazz chords, often what you're doing is you're just adding the seventh. So we've learned all of these triads, and all we're going to do now is we're going to add the seventh to each of these chords, okay? So the triad, they're no longer triads because now they're going to be four-note chords, okay? So to make it easy to see, I'm going to do the F chord. So to add the seventh, what we're going to do is instead of doubling the root like we've been doing, so F, C, F, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to go down a half step. And I'm going to go through the diatonic chords in the key of F using the notes in the scale. So since E is natural, the seventh is this, F to E, that's the seventh. That's an F major 7. The next chord, which was G minor, well, we're going to flat, and we're going to go to the note that's in the scale. That's why we don't go half step, because F sharp is not in the key of F. F is in the key of F. So G minor becomes G minor 7. A minor becomes A minor 7, taking this down a whole step. B flat becomes B flat major 7 because I've taken that down. So I went from to C is going to become C7. D minor is going to become D minor 7. E diminished is going to become E minor 7 flat 5, and then we're going to be back. So I'm going to go through these one more time, and I'm going to tell you the actual intervals. So in an F major 7 chord, we have a root, we have a third, a fifth, and a major 7. In the 2 chord, it's going to be root, flat third, fifth, flat 7. 3 chord, the same thing, root, flat third, fifth, flat 7. We're back into a major 7, so there's no flats, it's root, third, fifth, and 7, all major. The dominant chord is a cross between a major and a minor. There is a major third, but there is a minor 7. So it's the kind of the crossbreed chord is the dominant chord. And then 6 minor is root, flat third, fifth, flat 7. The minor 7 flat 5 chord, which comes out of the diminished chord, is actually root, flat third, flat fifth, and flat 7. And then